This video was created for the Plant Physiology Fall 2019 class to demonstrate how to export citations from indexes and databases such as Plant Science and CAB abstracts into EndNote Web. It will also demonstrate how to create a bibliography from EndNote Web. Starting from the Plant Physiology course guide, click on EndNote Online, Basic or Web. If you do not have an EndNote Web account yet, click on the Register button. If you do, sign in on the left. Once you have logged into EndNote, you will see all your references. If this is the first time that you're using EndNote, you may see something else. Let's go and open up the Plant Science database. Now let's perform a search in this database. On the results page, select the items that you're most interested in, and then click on the Save button. The Save icon is on the upper right there. Because we're using EndNote, we have to export or save as an RIS file. Now, the file is on the lower right there, but I'm actually going to EndNote now, the EndNote tab, to collect those references. Collect, import references, choose the file, open it. For import options, that was an RIS file, so I will start typing REF to go down to RefMan RIS. That I believe is short for Reference Manager in the form of an RIS file. And under 2, you can select the folder if you've created one, or if you haven't, you can select New Group and create a folder. In my case, I'm going to move these files into the Plant Physiology folder, and I click on Import. 3 references were imported into that group. I can click on that file name or group name and double check that all of the information was exported over here or imported in. And now let me demonstrate how to do the same in CAB abstracts. Connect to CAB abstracts, connect button, we'll do another search. And now in this case, we select the items of interest, and at the top there's an icon that says download or export selected records, so we can click there, and the only options are file or RefWorks, we're not using RefWorks, so we'll just leave it as file. Select it records only and use the RAS format. And we'll actually choose citation and abstract here. Click export. You'll see that that file has been saved. We're going to go back to EndNote, collect, import references, choose file, open. In this case, it's cab abstracts using Cabby, so cab direct Cabby. And select the correct group, click import, and then you can take a look at what you've just imported. You might want to sort by added to library, newest to oldest. Now, what if you wanted to create a bibliography? Under the Format section, you can click on Bibliography, select the appropriate group, choose the bibliographic style. In this class, you're using Agricultural and Forest Meteorology Journal. So going back to EndNote, we'll select our favorites and start scrolling down until you get to the start of Agri, A-G-R-I. And you should see Agri, Forest, Meteorology. My suggestion is that you select that and then click Copy to Favorites so that it appears in your favorites. And now I'll hide this window and select that from the bibliographic style. In terms of file format, that's up to you. I typically choose HTML and then preview and print. And you can copy and paste into your Word document. My recommendation is to double check that these are in fact accurately done, because when you pull data automatically, sometimes there are errors. For example, should plant physiology be italicized here since it's the journal title, etc. Hopefully this video has helped you with importing citations into EndNote. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My email address is bonnie.fong@rutgers.edu.